Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got the new Mini SEV, which is the new electric car. We're gonna do a plinth delete kit because this is obviously too wide, too tall and ugly. But before I get into the product range, let's explore the problem first and I'll take everything in the car and explain a bit further. Let's get into it. Okay, so the Mini has the factory mounting box. Now this is specific to the SEV, the electric vehicle. Too big, too tall, no matter what plate you put on there. So let's take the plate off and the plinth off and have a look behind because there's a few issues. All you gotta do is take off all the screws that you see and it just drops straight out. So hiding behind the oversized plinth from Mini, you will see a bunch of cavities, a bunch of holes within this section here. So in Flow Bracket fashion, we've designed a product that utilizes the factory holes and covers the cavities and it just bolts up using factory mounting points. And then from there, you put the bracket on, put the plate on. Now, what if you have a small plate? So this is a signature. Look, you put it on, the cavities and holes are all showing. So part of the Mini Cooper SE range, we've come up with call it a blanking plate almost, where it utilizes the factory holes. It's big enough to cover up all the cavities, but not so big where it's too ugly. So step one, bolt on the Mini plinth, put it on the bracket, and then the plate. And that's the cleanest solution that you're gonna get while maintaining factory mounting points. These are the plates we're gonna put on the car, and I'm gonna show you how to get that done. So before we do the final installation for the customer, what I'll do is I'll show you how to put the miniature plinth on with different plate styles, so you get a bit of an idea what it looks like. So we've got a miniature plinth on. This is the part where you choose your number plate bracket that matches your number plate style. So let's start with some Victorian slimlines. Got the correct bracket. Let's bolt it up and have a look. So with a Victorian slimline plate, with the slimline bracket, this is what it looks like on the car, which is a lot better than this. There is a small compromise. If you find yourself lying under the car and look up, you might see some on the cavities, but from every other angle is very well hidden. Now, if you run any other plate style, let's just say European, instead of the slimline bracket, you grab the European bracket, it goes on in its place, and then this is what it looks like with a European style. And then if you've got a standard plate, you grab a standard bracket and so forth. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like with a signature plate, which is unique to Victoria, but that requires a different plinth. And I'll install that and show you what that looks like. So now we're gonna install the signature plinth. Now this will also work for the Victorian 3 to 4 characters as well. To install this, it's 4 factory mounting points and 1 extra one in the middle. So this style of plinth will suit either 3 to 4 character slimline or signature. Just go and match it with the correct bracket. We're going to put these ones on. So we've got our signature plate bracket that will mount up to those holes there. There you have it. We've got rid of the oversized mounting box from Mini and shrunk it down to this for the signature plate. Now, we do have solutions for pretty much every plate size. It's just a matter of choosing the correct plinth to suit the car. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.